is warm. This train is short. This train is old. This train is new. This train goes in uphill. This train is going downhill. This train is in, what is that called?
Country.
And this train is in the city. This train has 2 rails. This train has 1 rail. This train is going in the bridge. This train is going in the tunnel. This train is running out the sea. This train is running out the treasury. This train is in the rain. This train is in the snow. This train carries passengers. This train carries freight. This train travels by day. This train by night. This train goes in the station on the boat.